first, I'm like, it's dead.
Yeah. You gotta keep constant throttle.
I realized.
Send it. They didn't think you was gonna fucking make it. Nah, it's too slippery.
Your shit.
Fucking die.
Your shit.
I wanna try and climb one. Roosted.
Take that as a no.
Hey bro, let me see them titties. He's trying to hill climb. Yeah. There's so much. Hey, let me ride it.
Leave me down at the bottom.
Dude, that thing was like right here. I hope I got it on the GoPro. That shit arced over my forehead.
I know, and
I know. Oh, you fucking sniped him.
No, I didn't. I missed.
What are you gonna do with
Was
those?
grab yourself some flag.
That works too. foggy my goggles are. I rode here like this. My back wet.
Yeah, a little bit.
It's been ripped for a while.
Just gonna stay here for a minute.
Sit down over here.
Oh, true. Oh shit!
Maybe not. Sit on this log. You.
The water knocked it out of gear.
For real?
Yeah.
There's definitely water in my air box.
It's running, isn't she? Do it. It's funny.
Fuck, dude.
Please. On it, you hoe.
He did that and he almost fell. I'm making a YouTube video out about this shit.
Suck my dick, bitch.
Here, hop up. Are you
Hey!
want to? Look how fucking foggy my goggles are.
I'm gonna rebuild his 80 and he's gonna give it to me.
What?
I'm gonna rebuild your 80 and you're gonna give it to me.
You're funny.
Fucking hilarious. You gonna go? You just gonna let me sit? Hold it.
You can ride
I can ride it. I don't feel like tossing it over.
Go up the fucking hill.
Fine. No, no, fuck you.
He's gonna dump it.
If I dump it, just know. Fucking freedom. Hey!
You gotta give a little throttle when you take it.
I know.
Dude, look how much mud and rocks is underneath my skid plate.
Fucking turn it off more. It's supposed to be straight up and down.
No, it's not.
Well, then which way's it go?
Sideways.
Okay, then it's right.
Get the fuck off of it.
Fuck you, Austin. I'll get it one more kid.
All right, get off.
I almost had it.
It's probably full, dude.
Wait. Oh, shit.
I was spinning that entire fucking time. Bumfuck nowhere, and it'll still connect to my phone. Or I can just pop the SD card out.
Then why don't we just pull it up now?
Because I still want to kind of get some more vids. But whatever. What is it on? Ah, damn.
He didn't hit me.
He definitely fucking hit you.
No, he didn't. He didn't hit me shit.
Oh shit, better get my ass beat. Switch.
Ultimate kill switch.
Ow, fuck my arm. No. Damn it. Quit. Everything is wet. everything is wet.
You pussy? He's gonna fucking try to hydroplane it. He's gonna fucking crash.
Huh?
He's gonna fucking hydroplane it. He's like, I want you to also hydroplane it.
You cannot go that. You gotta be going like 40. He's done. I'm gonna go tackle one of them.
Huh?
What? Oh my god, you weigh like 40 pounds. Yeah. Oh, snake.
Releasing a snake.
He's dead. 100% dead.
Most likely. Yep.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
nasty.
it's dead. Nope. It's moving.
No, it's not. That's all of its juices. That's fucking disgusting.
Oh, it started.
It's dead.
Fuckers.
I don't know how they killed it.
Got hit by a rock.
Sure it did.
No, that looks like you shot it with the BB gun.
I don't have a fucking
Sorry, air rifle.
snake. It's a dead one.
Yeah.
Shit.
Oh, you're gay for that.
Wash your coochie out.
No.
Free Willy. Noah, I'm telling you, hydroplane a little bit. Watch. What's he gonna do? He's gonna fucking wipe out right there.
He locked them bitches up hella hard. Get your bike.
Huh?
When do you get your?
Once I start getting this new co-op, I start saving up for it.
How much does it cost?
$2 grand.
Oh shit, how much you have? He's not wrong, he kind of did. Don't hit my bike with that. God damn. Yep. Pretty fucking deep. It's too deep right here, don't. Jacob, don't. It's too deep.
It's deepest right
Alright, kill switch it. Clutch it. Alright, there.
there. Wipe out. That's not hurt.
Yeah.
Dude, this sounded mean.
I broke loose so hard in third.
Yeah, don't wheel it.
Why?
Don't wheel it.